Welcome, student. And today this is the topic statistics. In statistics, okay. Today I am going to teach you arithmetic mean, which is shortly known as AM, and symbolically we can write X bar also. Okay, we can tell it average also. And today I am going to teach you in this video how to find out arithmetic mean of group data. Okay, we can tell the such data as a continuous data also. Okay, and how to find out arithmetic mean of such continuous data. I'm going to explain it, and please watch it carefully, and you'll learn it very easily. And during this explanation of this continuous data, okay, I'm going to tell you, some, review, okay, about, individual data and discrete data also, so that it will be very, useful to recall your previous lessons, okay, um, activities. Let's start today's class. And the first period, okay, first this one slide we can tell, and it's the arithmetic one, average one. It is already explained to you. It is the most common one type, okay, of average. It is the number obtained by dividing the sum of all the items by the number of item. That is explain this formula, mean equals to sum of the data divided by number of data. Okay, number of item also can tell. Okay, and this is similarly written x bar equals to sigma x by n. Okay, in this place n you can write small n also. Okay, this is previous one review, and this is exercise one. Okay, some questions review. If the data is given like this, okay, how to find arithmetic mean? That we have to find a sum first of all, okay, of data, and that should be divided by number of data, number of data 5, and we find symbolically like this sigma x by n, 70 by 5, and it will come 14. Okay, and similarly look next one. In this example also we have learned, okay, in previous class also we have learned. And if the data is given like this in the form of variables also in someone, we have to add them to total data, and there will be given mean also. Okay, if mean given, then we have to use in place of mean 20, then other values we have to find some sigma x and divide by n, and those values should be used here. Okay, if you do cross multiplication, this one 20 equals to 70 plus 7x divided by 7, and cross multiply 2, then you will get the value of x. Okay, mean of individual data, this is also taught in previous one. Okay, and this is individual. After now, how to find out discrete data. Okay, this is taught also in previous class. And shortly look here, mean x, this one x bar equals to sigma fx by n, because there will be frequency also. If the data is written with the frequency, all the data will have the different frequencies there. One data will not be connected with another data, they will have the separate. That's why it is known as discrete data. Okay, in such case, how to find out the sigma fx by n? It is also taught in previous class. Shortly I want to show you here division. Okay, we have to divide this column in 3 1. Okay, and then we have to multiply the frequency and data, that is fx. Okay, we have to find the sum of the frequency, that is known as n, sum of the frequency and sum of the fx also. And when you divide the sum of fx by sum of frequency, okay, that at that time we will get the arithmetic mean. That was like this. Okay, this is the question that we have learned in previous class also. And we find the 3 column, this marks and frequency and this fx, we add them, then we divide by n, then we get the arithmetic mean. Okay, this is for the discrete data. Okay, this is the process, okay, to find out the what arithmetic mean or mean values of discrete data. Okay, sigma fx by n. And this is a similar example, okay, that we have learned in previous exercise also. Here also we have to write x, that's one. Okay, this f frequency. Okay, and then fx, then we have to add this, and we have to divide this sigma fx by n, then we'll get the average value. Okay, we can write in decimal also, and try to write the decimal answer up to 2 digits. Okay, This is arithmetic mean of discrete data that we have learned in previous exercise. Now here in continuous data, okay, this is the main exercise of today one. In continuous data, represents the measurement, and therefore the values can't be measured. An example here we can tell, an example would be the height of a person, which you can describe by using interval on the real numbers line. Okay, in the group one, suppose 10 to 20 group, 10 is known as the lower limit and 20 is known as the upper limit. This is lower limit, this is upper limit. Okay, and in this group one, okay, it is explained one here. In this type of data, the size of the class will be taken same. Okay, if you are collecting the data, the data's size will be kept, this one size of the class will be kept same in whole collection. Okay, now let's go in another one. Here also we have to make the column, 4 different columns, and first one, okay, we have to find out the mean value. Mean value is generated by m. How to find mid value? We have to add upper limit and lower limit and divide by 2. Okay, then second one, frequency one. Okay, second column frequency, then we have to multiply m and f, then that will be f into m. And next one column, find out the sum of frequency and sum of the fm. Sum of frequency is n also, we have told. Okay, I have told already in previous one. Okay, and sigma fm, this is one. When you divide the sigma fm by sigma f, this one sum of the frequency, then we'll get the mean, okay, of the continuous data. Okay, this is group data also, you can tell. Okay, let's see some of the example. Okay, this example number one, look here. This is given the data. Okay, in group one, okay, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, and we have to find this mid value. Mid value we have to find by adding this 4 and 6. 4 plus 6, 10, and 10 divided by 2, this comes mid value. Okay, this all the mid values are found like this. Then we have to multiply this mid value and this frequency, and right here fm. And when you add this frequency, right here, some of the frequency that is denoted by n, I told capital M, and this is some of the frequency into, okay, mid value fm. Okay, that is 460 here. By adding this we got, and now we divide this by this n. Okay, sum of the frequency into mid value, sum this sigma fm by this n, then we'll get the arithmetic mean. Okay, and that is shown in another one. See here, and this one mean is x bar sigma fm divided by n, then 460 divided by 50, this will come 9.2. Okay, and it has come 9.2. Then it was in 1001, that's why we have to multiply by 1000. Because the value was given in 1000, that's why 9.2 was the arithmetic mean. If you multiply by 1000, then it will come to be 92. Okay, 9.2 multiplied with 1000 and 9200. Okay, this is the arithmetic mean of this data. Similarly, look here, and the same questions are given here. Okay, one question, this is find the mean of this data. Okay, and this also same one. Okay, and similarly other also, look here, questions here also. Okay, these all are the group data, continuous data. You can tell, find the arithmetic mean of this given data. Okay, as I showed, okay, in this example. Okay, you will do this all the examples easily. Okay, and by following this example that I told you just now. Okay, this previous one here, follow that to do. Okay, this one, first of all, write all the data, then find out mid value, then write frequency, find the sum of the frequency, then find the fm frequency and this mid value, multiply and add this all, and this divided by this, then you will get arithmetic mean. Okay, I hope you understood, and you all are now I hope you are able to do all these questions, given questions. Okay, homework 1, 5 questions easily. Okay, and please share the difficulties. Okay, and practice the questions, because practice makes the students perfect. Thank you very much. Today this much only.